The 5-house with garden, swimming pool and gym in the centre of Carouche. Drone photos and virtual tour available for consultation. Inserted in a quiet area with ample green spaces, overlooking the city with a total area of 653 square metres. It is close to a river beach and other tourist attractions. The property was rebuilt, giving it a more modern look, and has always been used as a weekend holiday home. It is located in the city centre, where you can find traditional commerce, public services, schools, green spaces, public transport, and easy access to the A13 and A10. The villa comprises kitchen with storage, large living room with fireplace, reading room, 3 bedrooms with built-in wardrobes, one of them with suite, bathrooms with window, electric shutters and double glazing, solar panels, jacuzzi, barbecue, terrace overlooking the city, very large attic with bathroom inserted in the 116 square metres, good ceiling height for expansion of the property. Outside, there is a heated swimming pool and lawn supplied by the waterhole, storage space, trees and recreation space, inserted in the land with 653 square metres price, $735,000.